Are you thinking of starting a YouTube channel but just not sure? Well, I say just do it. And I'm going to share with you the reasons why I'm saying that. Hi, I'm Lori and I'm 66 and I started my YouTube channel about a year ago. I really did it because I wanted something that I could work on as I moved into retirement, a little hobby, maybe something that would make me a little bit of extra income on the side. So I just thought I'd give it a shot. But after about a year, I'm really quite surprised at the benefits that you get from it, things that you totally weren't expecting at all, which I think makes it really worthwhile to go ahead and do it, especially if you're a senior and you're not sure. I hope this video will encourage you to give it a shot. The first thing was I found that I'm my own boss, and having worked in the corporate world for well over 40 years, this was so welcome to me. It's just so nice being your own boss and being able to make your own decisions and not having to listen to anybody or go by anybody's rules or schedules. You can do it all on your own. So that was the first perk. It also gives me a great sense of accomplishment when I'm, have gone through and I've done my editing and got it published to YouTube. There's just this sense of accomplishment that I do every time I post a new video, whether it's going to do well or not. It's just that feeling that I get. It's also a great way to have your creativity come out. So it's a confirmation to me that I'm creative. And if you don't think that you're creative, which I never did think I was years ago, as soon as you press that record button, your creativity is coming out, because you have to be a little bit creative in order to start talking on camera and to create your videos. Another good reason is that it helps to keep my technical skills sharp. So if you're a senior and you're worried about, you're not in the office anymore, you're not keeping up with all the courses and, new technologies that are coming out in the workplace, it is a really good way to learn different programs such as, editing and even just loading things to YouTube. It's all relatively simple, but it does help to keep those technical skills sharp. It also has given me joy to know that I'm hopefully helping somebody with something that they need, whether it's some travel reviews, or whether it's showing somebody how to follow a recipe and how to make something, maybe they're not sure how to do it, or whether it's giving them advice on, just stuff on how to live a simpler life. It brings me joy to know that hopefully I'm reaching at least somebody with each of my videos and helping them in some way. It helps to make me feel a little more fulfilled by doing that. Also, for me, I have found that this is an outlet for me where I've found my voice. I've always been a rather quiet and shy person. I was super shy when I was young. I was super shy in the corporate world for many, many years, where I was afraid to, admit things. If I didn't know something and somebody wanted, asked me, I was too afraid just to even say, well, I don't know, I'll get back to you. This, and even today I still find that I'm still quite quiet, and I find when I'm in crowds, I'm typically the one who's, sitting back and listening. Of course, I do participate, but I tend to be more of the introverted type. And I find that YouTube has just been a place where I've found my voice, and I really enjoy that. So if you're, quite shy or introverted, give it a try. You might actually be surprised that this is where you can just let your thoughts and feelings flow freely. And lastly, the thing that I have found is that, I really enjoy making these videos. I didn't know that I would. Yeah, they're a little bit of work, but I really, enjoy the whole process and the creative flow, and having the finished product, and then the anticipation of how's it going to do, how many views am I going to get, and I haven't been monetized yet, and for me, yeah, that would be great. It would be great if I got monetized. That would be the icing on the cake. But Through this, I have found so many other benefits and perks that I didn't expect to find, that I think you will too. So I hope you found this video useful and will give you that little extra nudge if you really weren't sure and sitting on the fence as to whether or not you should start your own channel. I really encourage you to do it, whether it is a quiet channel that doesn't get many views, or whether it blows up and you have a really successful video or a successful channel, that's yet to be seen. But I think that you would get a lot of joy and just happiness from it. So give it a try, and I wish you well and good luck on your YouTube journey. You've been listening to the Simple Living channel, and my name's Lori. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Have a great day, everybody, and good luck YouTubing.